In this short video, I'm going to introduce a term in finance that is IRR, i.e. internal rate of return. The internal rate of return of project is related with the net present value. So the IRR of a project is simply the interest rate that makes the net present value of the project equal 0. So let's look at the example here. Suppose there's a project. In year 0, you need to spend $100. In year 1, it returns $140. The IRR 40%. So in other words, $140 discounted by, so let's take a look how to calculate that. So net present value is going to be negative 100 plus 140 discounted by 1 point. That will be exactly equal 0. So there you go. That's the concept, internal rate of return in finance. Let's look at another example here. In this example, we have two projects, say project 5, project 6. In time 0 for project 5, it costs $100. Project 6, it costs $1. And time 1, the return of project 5 is 140. The return of project 6 is 1.5. In order to do the way I did by hand, you can use a function in Excel, IRR. And the parameter is simply the cash flow over time. It will give you the IRR automatically. So project 5 has IRR 40%, project 6 has IRR 50%. That's it.